Hey, gang. You know, we could talk about a few things. Like this delicious can of... Oh, okay. This has been sitting here for 2 weeks. You dare me to? Tastes like sweet summer honey. I got some food over here that's been sitting here for like a few days. Once had spaghetti mold on this floor. Nothing like sweet summer honey, as they say. Yep, nothing like it. Yep. Yeah. See what else I got? A snack over here. Oh, the chef made this. I don't feel proud of myself. Oh, you better feel proud about yourself for eating my food. It make you feel good. Yeah, it's giving me real heartburn or whatever. Ugh. So, guess I could piss in this cup. If I could describe the smell of piss to you in this hot-ass cup, it kind of smells like butter. And maybe that's what they're putting on your popcorn at the movie theater. You never know with these things. No, it's a possibility. Yeah, let's go get some popcorn. Well, looks like we got it. Let's wash that down. My ball sack did actually touch the lid of this, but it's okay. Oh, fuck. Spit on my leg. Fuck. Well, like sweet summer honey, as I said.